Hey everybody, this is Nancy from So Fancy Nancy. Today we're going to do a very easy project. I'm doing this project for my daughter, who's a third grade elementary school teacher. I am a part of the collaboration with Sabrina K Country Crafter, and it's really got me thinking that it's a pay it forward collaboration. So I thought I would try to do some things for other people, and my daughter came to mind, her third grade class. So today what I decided to do was just dig into my stash and see what I could find, and I found these little foam form shapes from the Dollar Tree, and I bought these last year, maybe the year before. But my idea really my brain automatically just went into overdrive. But I couldn't use the actual stocking shape because it wouldn't mirror when it was back to back. So what I decided to do was take another one that I have, and it was the Gingerbread. And they're super shiny, and I hot glued them back to back, and it turned out really cute. Of course these guys need a little decoration, but what we're going to do is semi-decorate these because Miss Dutton, my daughter Samantha, is going to hang these on her tree, and then when it gets that downtime at school and the kids are just wired, I'm gonna go and help her, but we're gonna decorate the front of this guy. Here is the prototype that I came up with. This would be the front here, but I used an old bow that I had hanging in the garage, and I kind of did some surgery on it and made this black and white buffalo tag holder. And then I had this stamp that I made for the child's name. Now Sarah B is just a fictitious student, but sometimes in a teacher's classroom you may have several Sarahs or two Nancys or whatever, but anyway, I just labeled it with Sarah. And then on the back I took some scrap paper that I had here. It's cardstock, it's the heaviest you can get, and I just made little card to go back there and put a little peppermint twist here and here, and then wrote her name. And what I think will be a fun project for her kids was just some leftover stuff in my stash. So on this particular project, these guys were $1, and I think there were 10 in the bag. And so like I said, it was just really inexpensive. I used the buffalo check ribbon, and I used leftover cardstock where I designed the card to go on this. Now of course I need to finesse a little bit on the cardboard, but this gives you an idea of how I made it. On the ribbon, like I said, I have bows hanging in my garage that I've used, that I make for different things, and I buy the ribbon with the wire in it so that the bows stay nice and pretty. So what I decided to do was take the wire out, because kids can do unusual things didn't want it to be dangerous. So I wrapped the end of the wire around and kept pulling and pulling until it's all out, and we've got our wire. That's one side. Here's the other. So don't ever throw your bows away, especially if you have cool ribbon. I always hang mine up in the garage and reuse them 9 times out of 10. Sometimes I don't, but I had these. Okay, now this would be too wide to go into the little hole punch there, so I went right up the center of this bow and clipped it in two all the way to the end, and this is going to make 2 tag hangers or decorations or whatever title you want to put on it. This is going to help my daughter out there at the end of school right before. So after we've cut it in two, we're going to take the bow, we're going to make the loop like this, okay? Going to fold it over a couple of times, and it's going to go right through there, okay? Then we've got the little loop that comes through. Take the bunny ears, put them through, and you've got your tag holder. Now they do get stringy sometimes, but it doesn't take but just a second to clip them off. So there we have our buffalo check hanger. Now I've had some people that when they do a tag this way, if they're going to hang it on a Christmas tree or something like that as a decoration. Now myself, I kept all of my kids' things that they made at school, and at Christmas time when I put my Christmas tree up, I'll give you guys examples. I have really treasured those decorations, little things that my kids made. The teachers that were so thoughtful, that took the time for my kids to make something like that. Oops. They were so neat, and I will show you some of those guys later. If I can get this tied in a knot, pull it on through. Whoops. Third time's the charm. Okay, there we go. Made the knot, pull it tight, and now we have a hanger for the ornament tag, whatever you want to call it. Of course, in education, you have to be very careful with labels and things as far as holidays go. So I did not put Merry Christmas or Happy Hanukkah. You know, it's just, I left it blank. It's a generic decoration so that, you know, we won't offend anyone's religion or celebration, their beliefs. But this turned out really cute, and it's so simple, so easy, and I hope you enjoyed this little tutorial on my Dollar Tree leftovers. Get a chance, subscribe if you haven't subscribed, ding the bell, and you'll know when I have uploaded a new video. This is what I'm calling my holiday spirit, I guess, is starting to come. I'm going to be getting ready for Christmas really soon, so if you're interested in seeing what all I'm making, and because I make just about everything that goes up in my house, so thank you for stopping by. God bless, and we'll see you in the next video.